I'm just going to read this quick. 2016, October 8th, Sam Chortek and Jimmy Chappie, Beaver, Utah, Black Mountain drone UFO of a bug. It's a video of a bug. 2 minutes and 52-second duration file named October 18th, 2016. It's at 38.266 by 112 negative 0.6094 is the most likely location for recording. Codec AVC 1.4200 1E and MP4A.40.2. Re-uploaded 2019 January 9th by someone who is unfriendly to critique, Brian Joseph Hanley, all rights reserved so he can flag videos to death. This is under fair use. Again, warning, this is under critique and review. It's protected by a copyright infringement protection rule called fair use. So here we go. This is the establishment shot from the video. This shows you where it is. There's the mountain in the background, and here is the Google Street View equivalent to it to show you the location that they were at was right over here approximately. Map and information and links will be included below. This is the most likely location for the filming, which is not too far away from someone's house. Next. So here's where I save you the trouble of watching the video. There's a dot over there. This is like watching the beginning of the Star Trek episode where you try to figure out where the spacecraft's coming from. So here we go with the next image. We can see a movement. Now, you have to be able to tell the difference. There's not much difference. There's a reason for that. That's because the object's coming towards us. Now, if it's going Mach 1 and it's coming towards us from that angle, we would hear a sonic boom, or a crack, or a poot. And this is the blur, the motion blur effect of it going past at a higher rate than the frame rate can capture. Now we get on to the next one. Oh gee, it's a blur. It's very transparent. It's a bug. Otherwise there would have been a supersonic crack or something like that. They would have noticed it. It wasn't large or they would have noticed it. Therefore it's a bug. 2016, October 18th, Sam Chortek and Jimmy Chappie in Beaver, Utah, near Black Mountain, with their drone, picked up a bug. The video of 2 minutes and 52 seconds duration was file named after that time and date stamp. The physical locations will be listed below. You can go visit the location if you want to. There's no evidence for this to be anything other than an insect. And yes, I'm sure that someone will find a way to flag the snot out of this video because that's just how it works. They shouldn't. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.